In this video, I'll show you how to repair a leaky water valve using a standard repair kit. Let's get right to it. To begin with, open the valve completely by turning the handle counterclockwise. Then, undo the screw securing the twist handle. The handle should pull right off. Next, using a crescent wrench, loosen the packing nut until it can be removed by hand. You may need to wiggle it a little in order to remove it. The valve stem component is made up of a handle and screw, the packing nut, and a packing washer. The packing washer is a common source of many leaks. You can see this one is old, warped, and even a little cracked. Next is a thin metal gasket, and finally a smaller compression washer at the end of the stem. When this washer is damaged, it can cause the valve to not close properly, resulting in a dripping faucet. I'll be using the Brass Craft Valve Repair Kit, readily available at any big box store or plumbing outfit. It provides all the basic replacement parts for a typical multi-turn water valve. First, I'll secure the small compression washer on the rounded end of the new stem. From the other side, I'll slip on the metal gasket, followed by the packing washer. The packing nut is next, along with the handle and screw. To install the new stem, I'll simply insert it into the valve body and twist it clockwise. The packing nut can be screwed on by hand, making sure not to cross the threads. Tighten with the crescent wrench, but do not over-tighten or you may damage the washer. Finally, I'll put on the handle and secure it with the screw before testing the valve by opening and closing it. Once the main water line is turned on, I'll do a final check for leaks. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.